planted seeds in every storm, wrote my name in quiet forms, hope for skies that break and pour, but clouds don't cry for me no more. I learned to smile without belief, to hold my breath and hide the grief. Still I rise and fake a plan, but the future never takes my hand.